Hello everyone, welcome back to the Fleur Foods channel. Thank you for joining me today. I'll be taking you through how to make chimichurri. So first of all, chimichurri bears its origin from Italy, and what it is kind of like an additive that you put on things like steak, fish, whatever you want to elevate its flavor. You use chimichurri in it. It's really nice, and this video would take you through how to make it really quickly. So we'll start by what I did was I started by harvesting some parsley from my garden. Took it in, washed it in salt, and then I chopped it up, put it aside, and got a bell pepper. I rescued that one from my toddler because he became very addicted to it and carried it around, so I had to wrestle it from him. Chopped up that one bell pepper, took out the seeds because you don't need the seeds in chimichurri. After that, I took out 5 cloves of garlic, chopped that up, put it aside, and then after chopping that one and putting it aside, I got a small red onion. You can use shallots if you want. Cut that up, put it aside, and then after that, I went on to put a little smoked paprika, about half a teaspoon worth of smoked paprika. I also put about a quarter teaspoon worth of black pepper. And then this next part is optional. If you're like me, you like things hot, you could take some chili. For me, I used some Nigerian dry and ground pepper. I used 1 tablespoon for that. That's totally up to you. That's optional. You could just stick with the paprika. Smoked paprika already has that smoky flavor that goes well with different dishes. You could also use it for pasta. Like I didn't say that earlier, but you could also use chimichurri for pasta. I actually use it to elevate my pasta after I'm done with cooking it. So back to topic. So when I did all that, I then got a jar and put everything inside. So I layered it up. I put the pepper first, I put the garlic next, I put the chopped onions, I put the smoked paprika, remember half a teaspoon of that. I put quarter teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of the dry pepper, like I said, optional. And then after that, I stirred it a bit, just to kind of, combine everything together. And then I put in my chopped parsley and then stirred it together. At this point, you want to try really hard to stir it together. Even if the jar is full, just try your best and stir it together. And then I got olive oil. Now with the olive oil, it's up to you. For this particular recipe and for this particular one, I put in about half a cup of olive oil. Now my guide is you put it to the point where it almost fills up the jar you're using. That way it doesn't spill out when you're doing the final turning, when you're doing the final mixing. So I stirred it well, and then I shook it for some extra mixing. Now the thing with chimichurri is you don't have to freeze it. You don't have to put it in the fridge. You can leave it on the table. It could last for about 7 days on the counter, or you could put it in the fridge and it will last even longer. It's up to you, but try it. You'll see how much better your pasta, your steak, your fish, whatever you want, to just have that extra kick. Try it on it and come back and let me know how it went. So I just thought to share this with you. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Please like, subscribe for more tips on what to do in your garden and in your kitchen. Have a good day. Bye.